Governor Greg Abbott directed Texas Rangers to open a criminal investigation into the group behind a Muslim-centric housing development in Collin County.
The governor said a proposed housing development referred to as Epic 2 potentially violates Texas criminal law.
East Plano Islamic Center atau EPIC telah membeli sebuah lahan tidak produktif seluas 402 akre di dekat kota Josephine, Texas, Amerika Serikat. Rencananya pihak pengembang akan membangun 1.000 perumahan terintegrasi dengan masjid, sekolah K-12 berbasis nilai Islam, fasilitas untuk lansia, lapangan olahraga, klinik, dan bahkan perguruan tinggi komunitas. Kawasan perumahan tersebut akan diberi nama Epic City.
All of this revolves around a development called Epic City, which has been heavily scrutinized by neighbors as well as officials at the state level. They're eyeing about 400 acres near Josephine, about 25 miles east of Plano, but the community is only in the planning phase and hasn't even filed for permits.
Namun rencana komunitas muslim di Texas ini tampaknya terhalang angin kencang kontroversi yang datang secara tiba-tiba.
Epic City has come under great scrutiny.
It used to be that something like this was called a cult, but today it's being called a community.
This was the latest Collin County Commissioners meeting.
I believe we do not want this in our backyard.
I sure don't.
Bukan dari dalam komunitas, tetapi dari pucuk kekuasaan negara bagian. Gubernur Texas, Greg Abbott, mencuit di platform X, sebelumnya Twitter, memperingatkan publik tentang dugaan terbentuknya kota syariah, sebuah istilah yang membangkitkan ketakutan dan stigma, terutama terhadap komunitas muslim. Abbott menegaskan bahwa hukum syariah tidak akan diizinkan di Texas dan menyebut proyek ini sebagai ancaman bagi nilai-nilai negara bagian. Cuitan ini menyulut badai. Tak hanya retorika, Abbott juga memerintahkan Texas Rangers untuk membuka penyelidikan kriminal terhadap Epic. Lembaga-lembaga negara bagian pun ikut turun tangan, dari Komisi Tenaga Kerja, Dewan Sekuritas, hingga Komisi Pemakaman, semua menyelidiki berbagai aspek proyek ini, mulai dari potensi diskriminasi perumahan hingga pelanggaran hukum sekuritas. Banyak yang menilai langkah Abbott ini sebagai manuver politik bermuatan Islamofobia tanpa dasar fakta yang jelas. Sang gubernur pasalnya tidak bisa menyebutkan sumber informasi yang ia bagikan di akun X miliknya. Semua cuitannya didasari oleh desas-desus yang tidak jelas.
Did reach out to the governor's office about this, and they essentially doubled down on their previous claims about the East Plano Islamic Center and the Epic City proposal. The governor believes the group behind this project is illegally operating a funeral home, potentially defrauding investors, potentially violating state fair housing laws, and other allegations. The governor's office didn't provide any evidence to back up these claims.
Dan Cockdale, pengacara yang ditunjuk oleh pihak pengembang Epic City, menyebut Gubernur Abbott telah menyebar kebohongan.
My clients are law-abiding Texans, law-abiding Americans, and law-abiding Muslims. 95% of them are U.S. citizens. The majority that aren't United States citizens are legally here. I suspect you can find more illegals at your local Mexican food restaurant than you can in the entire community of Muslims in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. All they want to do is to build a community that allows them to live together with people who value family and faith. They intend to follow all the laws, from the Fair Housing Standards Act to the zoning laws to whatever. But what's happened primarily from Governor Abbott's office is hate speech. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed of the falsehoods that Abbott's office has been putting out. It's nonsense. He has tweeted that Sharia law will be implemented. That's a lie. That's an absolute lie. No one associated with Epic, no one associated with that community follows Sharia law or is in favor of Sharia law or is implementing Sharia law. The governor has weaponized that word repeatedly. He has said it's a no-go zone. That's absolute nonsense. For those of you who are familiar with the military phrase, that means it's not safe for law enforcement to go there.
Epic membantah keras tudingan tersebut. Mereka menegaskan, proyek ini tidak eksklusif untuk Muslim, tidak akan menerapkan hukum syariah, dan sepenuhnya akan mengikuti hukum federal dan negara bagian. Mereka juga mengungkapkan bahwa pembangunan fisik belum dimulai, karena mereka masih dalam tahap perencanaan dan belum mengajukan izin resmi.
A Christian could buy a share,
yes,
a Hindu,
absolutely, and anybody,
a Buddhist,
anybody. Religious or non-religious.
There is no denying Epic City is Muslim-centric, but Imran says all people are welcome.
It's open to everybody.
Meski demikian, dampaknya telah terasa. Komunitas Muslim di Texas kini dihantui kekhawatiran, bukan hanya soal masa depan proyek, tetapi juga soal keselamatan dan penerimaan mereka di negeri yang mereka anggap rumah.
Chowdhury and Cogdell tells us
is one of many, huh?
Yeah,
they have been inundated with explicit voicemails.
I suggest you get the of America while it's still an option.
It's insulting, it's inaccurate, it's dangerous, and it's gubernatorial hate speech. That's what it is.
Sementara itu, Backlover, seorang influencer media sosial, coba mengunjungi Epic Masjid untuk mengedukasi masyarakat tentang desas-desus hukum syariah yang banyak ditakuti masyarakat.
I'm in East Plano. This is the Epic Masjid, okay? The Epic Masjid is the center of a controversy right now. The local newspapers and people that are full of hatred are trying to make it look like the Muslims are coming to take over and they're going to bring Sharia law. Disgusting what you people do to fuel hatred between different people and different faiths. Let me give you a secret. Look what goes on in a mosque. Oh my God, it's crazy. They're planning to take over America. No, we're here to pray. And unfortunately, this is the same hatred all immigrants face. So because there's not a large Muslim population in this part of Texas, the fact that they built such a beautiful structure, now they have a problem. The same way the Irish went through hell in New York City, the Italians, and every group, when they move to a land where they're not the majority, you have hatred, you have pushback, you have rumors, you have gossip, you have gaslighting, you have projection, and in this case, you have Islamophobia. I just met with many of the people here. They feel scared. They're worried that their fellow Texans are going to turn their back on them and open fire on them. And there's been a lot of hate crime, and that's why you have all the police out there. It's sad that we even have to think like that in 2025. What's inside of a mosque? Does it look like they're up to plotting something? No, they're here to pray.
Sharia means Islamic law, just like you have a Christian law or Jewish law. It's got Islamic law.
You shall not kill. That's a part of universal law.
Yeah.
So they use this word to create confusion with those of you that have no knowledge of this faith. So they say Sharia law. They're trying to bring Sharia law. Sharia law says don't steal, don't kill, don't drink, don't do drugs, don't take what's not yours. God forbid. Does it sound too much different from what you have? No, and that's not even the objective. We were commanded by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, if we do not like the governance of a country, to leave that country.
Yes.
We were told to obey whatever rules and regulations they have. This is a fact of Islam.
Yes.
So we're not here to bring you Sharia law. Go anywhere.
Exactly.
So relax, Texans. They're here to pray, work, and help your economy grow, because there's a lot of people.